Hey guys, sorry for the bad lighting. Oops, sorry for the bad lighting. So today I'm going to show you guys my kawaii drawings, my new kawaii drawings, not my old ones that I showed on the last video. So let's get started. Here I have a strawberry latte. It's supposed to say strawberry, but I end up putting latte. A Skittles, rainbow Skittles, and a rainbow Skittles. A Pop-Tart, a girl Pop-Tart. Fry, a strawberry, ice cream, a popsicle, a sushi, and a fortune cookie, a noodle bowl, a milk carton, this is chocolate milk, and this is white milk, and Keroppi Clay 346 request. So it has the ice that I drew. She asked me to draw a marshmallow, a roasted marshmallow, and a dingo. So I drew a roasted marshmallow and a dingo. And then Miss Kawaii Crazy Clay, Miss Kawaii Crazy Paper Inspiration. I made it today. It says check out her channel. It says Miss Kawaii Crazy. You should subscribe to her because she's an awesome drawer. A little cloud and a little umbrella. She did a tutorial on this. You should check it out, and she does great drawing. A sushi, I got that from her. The bowl noodles, I got it from her. The milk carton, I got it from her. So that's the update on the new drawings. So, oh yeah, I have something to talk to you guys about in the next video. Thanks.